As AI agents get smarter, they're not just playing chess or chatting anymore, they're running real-world workflows, calling APIs, spinning up services, and crunching data. But here's the catch. All those API calls and plugin actions come with real costs. Who tracks that? Who gets paid? How do we keep it fair for devs and transparent for everyone? That's where OmniAgentHub.ai steps in. Think of it as the missing layer powering the agent economy, a platform where agents, plugins, and developers connect, transact, and get rewarded. Agents interact with plugins through a standardized protocol, the multi-channel plugin, or MCP. Every usage, every call, every penny is tracked, billed, and paid out via blockchain right as it happens. Let's put this into action with a real-world disaster response workflow. Imagine a hurricane hits Florida. An AI agent built for disaster relief kicks into gear. Step 1. It pulls up resident insurance claims using a plugin called Insurance Claims API. The cost? 0.2 cents per API call. The agent adds the plugin, makes the call, and boom, the developer gets paid instantly through a smart contract. Next up, the agent needs to book emergency housing. It calls another plugin, Crisis Housing MCP, which taps into Airbnb and Red Cross data. Every confirmed booking, 5 cents. That fee's split automatically. Most to the plugin dev, the rest to whoever's hosting the plugin infrastructure. All of it is logged, every split down to the penny, and everyone gets paid in real time. Third step, the agent has to notify dozens of residents. It fires up secure mailer, sending personalized emails at just $0.001 per message. The plugin dashboard shows 87 emails sent, and the developer sees their wallet fill up. 8.7 cents, logged and paid, no waiting for invoices or payouts. Here's the best part. All transactions are transparent and tracked. On the agent dashboard, I can see exactly what's being used, how much it's costing, and where the money's going. As a developer, I see plugin usage stats, real-time earnings, and can even explore the smart contract logs to track every single API call. Now let's talk about the dev experience. Registering a monetized plugin is as simple as setting your MCP endpoint, picking a price per call, choosing how income gets split, say 70% to you, 20% to the host, 10% to whoever referred the agent, and hitting deploy. Instantly, your plugin's in the marketplace, ready for any agent to use. So how does it all work? Every call routes through OmniAgentHub's billing engine, powered by blockchain smart contracts. No middlemen, no disputes, just instant, fair payouts. Each dollar flows directly to devs, hosts, and referrers as soon as their plugin is used. Right now, we're live with a proof of concept and onboarding early developers. The MVP drops this quarter with token-based incentives coming up next. If you want to own your agent's economy, track it, bill it, and build it, check out OmniAgentHub.ai and join the ecosystem.